Our lovely patient, who's 37 years old, is about 10 days out from her abdominoplasty with a hernia repair at the same time and a breast lift. And she comes in today with her husband and is very graciously agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about what she was hoping to achieve and how she's doing so far in her recovery.
Just looking at that, before and after pictures, I am very glad I did it. If you had asked me this last week, I would have said no.
Right, because you hate me for the first 3 days.
I hated everyone the first 3 days.
But not your husband.
I might have hated him the most.
Oh, he was so helpful. Oh, I made you laugh.
I am, and I've said this to several people, I'm very glad that I did the lift at the same time. If I'm going to be hurting, I'd like to just get it all over with at once, because I don't know if I might be too chicken to do that later. Just looking at before and afters, and even just like getting out of the shower and drying myself off, even as swollen as I am, I'm like, who's that? Look at my belly. My belly button. It looked like a pregnant woman's belly button for so long, and I think I got used to that, and I am thrilled that I no longer look like that.
Fantastic. Share with everyone out there, and I know you listened to some of these audio stories as well, and they helped you sort of frame your planning as you were moving forward. But share with somebody who might be just exploring their journey, what things they should be thinking about and what questions you might have had that you feel are answered now.
So I'm going to say that the surgery itself was pretty much as you guys described. There was nothing that even afterwards, it's a marathon. Yeah. It's not a sprint. But I wish someone had kind of said, you're going to look at your body and you're going to be like, what did I do? Oh no. But I am glad I did it. I don't even recognize that person on the left. That doesn't even... I'm very thrilled to say I don't look like that anymore. I think that recovery-wise, that part has been the hardest.
Yeah.
And I don't even know if it's physical. It's a lot of mental.
Yeah.
Because I have 4 young kids, and I have had to pretty much let everyone do everything.
Yep. Well, I'm sure they all stepped up.
My kids or the other people?
Everyone in your network.
Yeah, for the most part. My kids have, I am now able to help with, kind of like bedtime routines, like even saying goodnight to them.
Yeah.
I couldn't do that last week.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, that's what we like to craft the recovery process in a graduated acceleration and return to activity, so that I like to say in the first week, you're pretty wiped out.
Yeah.
By week 2, which when you come back and see me next time, will not be surprised if you drive yourself. And many times people, when they come back for their 2-week post-op, they're driving themselves. At 1 week, you're always getting driven. But I would be comfortable with you at a month being as active as you were before surgery.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I have actually the last 1 or 2 days, I have 2.5-year-old twins.
Yep.
And I have lifted them using primarily my arm muscles, but lifted them onto my lap, and they just kind of perch there because I'm like, don't lean back because you will hurt me. Yep. But they just sit there. Like my daughter ate dinner the other night sitting on my lap.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
At 10 days out.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
Like anytime I no longer have to sit in the shower. But once I am done like my morning routine and sit down, I'm wiped.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Well, I liked the way you said it. You're running a marathon.
Yeah. And I think that part too. I think I kind of thought it would be a much quicker recovery. I don't know why I thought that.
Well, at 10 days, I think if you went on and looked in Facebook or social media,
Oh, I have Googled like nobody's business.
I think you would find that your recovery is way ahead of most others.
Yeah, so like the muscle repair, that is finally like I would say last week I had a tickle in my throat and I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do?
Because it's hard to cough.
Now I can laugh a little bit more.
Yeah.
I can cough. I can clear my throat. I can yawn, like take a deep breath to yawn. But like for me, it's around the incision and lower, and that's just going to take time.
It will take time.
Yeah.
It will take time. Share with everyone what it was like not to have drains.
Great. I had gestational diabetes with all of my kids' pregnancies, and I had to be on insulin, and I specifically did the one where you just kind of stick it to your arm.
Right.
Because I cannot, with 4 kids, I can't do drain, or I can't do any kind of cords, nothing.
Sure.
And all of the handles in our house are the lever handles on the doors.
Oh.
And I'm like,
Right, you might catch it because you go through. Because I tell that story about a patient who caught her drain, and that was one of the things that inspired me to drop the drains.
Yeah. No, all of my friends that I've talked to who have had a tummy tuck and had drains, they're all like, you don't have drains?
Right.
And I'm like, no, I don't. That's great. It's so great. I just get out of the shower, I dry off, I put my clothes on, I put my binder on, I'm done.
Off you go.
Yeah. Off to the couch I go.
I love it. Well, the last question I always like to ask is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
Yes, if you have the right expectation for it.
I like that.
If you're going to pretty much let everyone do everything for you. And I'm not good at that. I'm really not good at it.
Well, mother of twins and 4 kids,
Yeah,
you're the go-getter, you're the do everything.
Yeah. Everything feels out of place in my house because I'm like, you're pretty good at really not bad.
She's gesturing to her wonderful husband.
Yeah, I would say if you understand that you're going to be kind of laid out for a week and you're going to be hurting, but I think in the end, I'm only, 10 days out?
Yeah.
I can't say I'd do it again, but I'm very glad I did it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Well, thank you for sharing your story. I think we'll come back and check in with you again maybe in a month when you're back at your full activity.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.